Johnny Depp's house tour. Johnny Depp lists small French village for $63 million. Johnny Depp's 37-acre estate in the south of France is on the market for the second time since the superstar actor bought the Hameu or small village in 2001. After many years spent restoring and enjoying the early 19th century buildings, including a 12-bedroom main house, Depp is moving on, reports Variety. This is no ordinary estate. Not only does it encompass a small provincial village, including a charming restaurant complete with a full professional kitchen, but every corner reflects Depp's unconventional style. A guest room inside the former church features a curtained four-poster and a closet created from what was the confessional. The eclectic furnishings in the wine cave are reminiscent of the actor's hit film franchise Pirates of the Caribbean, and a white sand surrounds a large swimming pool, one or two on the property. Canopied outdoor sitting areas make for inviting spaces to lounge the day away. Though just 10 miles northwest of bustling Saint-Tropez, the expansive property is the ultimate private country retreat. To be fair though, it's a small village, a series of buildings comprising a Hameu or hamlet, which every successful actor should own. The property includes over a dozen structures dating to the 19th century, totaling over 10,000 square feet, 15 bedrooms and 14 bathrooms. The property has been restored with soul. That much is evident. The spirit of the place has been retained, only perhaps magnified somewhat through a contemporary bohemian lens. This is the place to dabble in painting, refamiliarize yourself with the stylistic distinctions between Lester Young and Zoot Sims, and maybe catch up on your Balzac over a little too much Turkish cafe. There is an artist studio among the buildings actually. There is also a private cafe, playfully dubbed Chez Marceline. Decor is restlessly various. The eye is endlessly newly drawn to a surfeit of ideas, all competing for attention, but there is certainly cohesion, and in the main house, a liberating feeling of openness, as well as the reassuring stability rendered by a profound sense of history and commonality. Stone walls, century-old timbers, and even a gypsy caravan restored as a guest house add to the charm.
Everyone dreams of adorning the most beautiful homes that we share in our video. If you were looking for the most beautiful houses in the world, this is definitely one of them. Let's take a walk from magnificent, elegant driveway through stunning modern interiors to a gorgeous backyard like you've never seen before. This dream home will make you drool. Let's find out what makes this house so special. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below letting me know what you thought. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you.